Hello everyone. So today we'll be learning about the first trick which will be useful to check the differentiability of a function. So we are starting with the first trick, trick number 1, to check the differentiability. To check the differentiability of a function. Okay. So using this trick we can check the function whether it is differentiable or non-differentiable within some 30 seconds. Now what is happening? I have taken some function h dash of x is equal to f of x into g of x. Now this function is expressed as multiplication of two functions. We have to check whether the function is differentiable or non-differentiable. Check the differentiability at x is equal to a. We have to check whether the function is differentiable or non-differentiable, and we know that limits, continuity, differentiability, they are very important chapters in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Okay, so let's understand the theory within 1 minute by taking the derivative. H dash of x is equal to f dash of x into g of x plus f of x into g dash of x. Okay, now this by which rule we can tell this one? By UV rule. Okay, now at x is equal to a, what is happening? F of a value and g of a value, if both are equal to 0, then in that case h dash of a is becoming equal to 0. Now we know that if derivative is equal to 0 means here derivative is defined quantity. If derivative is defined quantity, then the function is differentiable. Then h of x is differentiable at x is equal to a. So simple logic here, whenever a function is there which is expressed as multiplication of two functions, on substituting x is equal to a, both are becoming equal to 0, then directly we can tell that the h of x is differentiable at x is equal to a. Okay, so this one we'll check it by taking some simple examples. So example number 1. Okay, f of x I have taken as x into mod x. Example number 1, f of x I have taken as x into mod x. This one I have considered as first function, f1 of x. This one I have considered as second function, f2 of x. Now we have to check the differentiability, whether the function is differentiable or not at x is equal to 0. So simply what we can do, so in the first function you substitute x is equal to 0, f1 of 0, f2 of 0, both are equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and mod 0, both are equal to 0. Then we can conclude that f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 0. So how we are telling? Like this only. See, f of a value, g of a value, if both are equal to 0, then derivative will become equal to 0 and the function is differentiable. Here first function is there, second function is there. So in first function, on substituting x equal to 0, we got 0. On substituting x equal to 0, we got 0. So if both are 0, the function is said to be differentiable at x equal to 0. Now similarly like that, if we'll consider second example, f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 into log x. Now we have to check the differentiability. Check the differentiability at x is equal to 1. We have to check whether the function is differentiable or non-differentiable at x equal to 1. So simply what I will do, we'll consider this one as first function, we'll consider this one as second function. Okay, now you try to substitute the value at x is equal to 1 in the first function and second function. So what is happening? F of 1, that is equal to modulus of 1 minus 1, that is becoming equal to 0. Similarly in f2 of 1, in the second function, if we substitute x equal to 1, log 1, you are getting equal to 0. So from these two, what we can tell, f dash of x is becoming equal to 0 at x is equal to 1. So derivative is 0, that means derivative is defined. So we can tell that f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 1. So no need to check left hand side derivative, right hand side derivative, and no need to waste our time. So whenever in JEE any question is given which is multiplication of two functions, simply we can substitute x is equal to a in both the functions. If both are becoming equal to 0, then we can conclude that the function is differentiable at x is equal to a. Okay, so like that, one previous J question is there in 2018 offline paper. This question came. So this question we can solve within some 30 seconds, and we can solve within some 10 to 15 minutes also. So if you do in normal way in the sense, if you are trying to check the left hand side derivative and right hand side derivative, if left hand side derivative and right hand side derivative, if both are 0, then the function is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a. But no need to do that much lengthy. What is the function he has given? He gave it as mod x minus pi into e to the power of mod x minus 1 into sine of mod x. Now he is asking, this function is non-differentiable at t. So what t values, at what t values the function is non-differentiable? In the options we are having 0 and pi. So we'll do one thing, we will check at x is equal to 0, is it differentiable or non-differentiable? So simply what I will do here, so for our convenience, I will consider this entire thing as my first function f1 of x. This one I am considering as some second function f2 of x. So at x is equal to 0, tell me what is my f1 of 0? That is modulus of 0 minus pi into e to the power of 0 minus 1. E to the power of 0 value is how much? 1. 1 minus 1, that comes out to be equal to 0. Similarly, f2 of 0, how much it is? You will be getting sine of modulus of 0. We know that sine 0 value is equal to 0. So if both are becoming equal to 0, so as per our trick, f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 0. Okay, similarly we can check at pi also. So check at pi, what we can do at x is equal to pi, what is happening? F1 of pi, in the first function you substitute x is equal to pi. So modulus of pi minus pi into e to the power of mod pi minus 1. So this comes out to be how much? 0 into something, that is equal to 0. Similarly, f2 of pi, in the second function you substitute pi, sine of modulus of pi. We know that sine of modulus of pi, that is equal to pi only, because as per the definition, mod x is x when x is positive, it is minus x when x is negative. Sine pi value 0. So both are equal to 0. Then we can conclude that f of x is differentiable at x is equal to pi. So we can conclude that at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi, it is differentiable. He is telling that at which point it is non-differentiable. At 0 it is differentiable. So we can rule out the second option. At 0 it is differentiable. He is talking about at which points non-differentiable. 0 differentiable, pi differentiable, 0 and pi it is differentiable. So it is differentiable everywhere. So our answer will be first option. It will not be differentiable at any point. So indirectly it is differentiable at any point, at every point. Okay. So just I will conclude the trick. What is the trick? So whenever two functions are there in multiplication, if you want to check differentiability at x equal to a, substitute x is equal to a in both of them. If both are equal to 0, then the function is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a. So I hope you have liked the first trick. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be giving the more tricks I will give you, so that you can save your time in the JEE mains exam. Okay, right then. Thank you all of you. Bye.